Anytime. I can
It's
always
got sound
edit.
on?
The sound is on.
Okay. All right, so we're going to do
So
a
you can curse all you want because I'll edit it out later.
free-form abstract flower tilt balloon kiss thing.
Yay!
And we're going to use DecoArt for the grass. Is it these three colors? For the flowers are these five colors. Got that? Whoops. Perfect. For the sky, for the fall, autumn sky, we have these three colors, and white. And yellow is going to go with these greens for the grass. So first we're going to apply some of the grass and sky and then tilt. Then we're going to add the paint for the flowers and kiss. Do I need to shake these first?
Mm-mm.
No, do not shake these.
No, they're
Ever.
like ready to go, and that will just add bubbles.
Okay, no bubbles. Okay, so here we go. This is the grass. And this is already not what I was expecting.
Less, more? What were you expecting?
I have no idea. No idea.
Go ahead and use as much as you want. You don't have to be stingy with it. I mean,
I'm trying to make it look like grass. It looks nothing like grass.
well, you're not done with it yet.
Right.
So feel free to run sticks through it if that might.
It's supposed to look like fall, autumn grass. And I don't know if it does. What do you think? Does that look anything like fall grass? It does not. Do you have a green like out there?
No.
No. Okay, that's
Probably
fine.
not.
That's okay. We'll make it. We'll make it with this yellow.
This emerald green is probably the closest,
Okay.
but it's not light.
Okay, that's all right. This is gonna be fine.
Abstract.
It's abstract, so you know.
It will be fantastic.
Okay. I don't want the grass to take up like too much though, you know what I mean?
Yeah. We can always tilt some off later.
Right. So should I, oh boy.
Yeah, well that was, when we first started talking you were gonna maybe tilt one end first and then do the other.
That's not gonna work, is it? Is that
Now
enough?
you can try it.
Is that enough?
For what?
To cover, to make grass?
Are you gonna use what to move it around? You're gonna tilt it? That's
Tilt it.
probably not enough.
Okay, okay.
Just remember how many puddles I have when I'm done tilting on
Yeah.
on the
Oh,
paper
this is
underneath or
way
whatever.
blue,
So.
so we don't wear that.
It's meant to be poured off or tilted off.
Okay, what about like,
It's fine.
okay,
There's paper underneath it.
okay. I kind of like this grass. Is that enough?
More.
More? I'm liking this, though.
Liking what?
I like it. The grass.
Good. Do you want to use some of these greens? This is, you can try it.
Sure.
There's that one. Back here.
Oh, yeah, this is it.
No, it's turquoise.
Yeah, here we go.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's good. You think that's good?
I have deep green.
I think we're gonna go with this.
Okay, cool.
Now we're adding the sky. Maybe I should have done a layered pour, huh?
No, I think this is great. I don't do this very often, if I've ever done it at all. So this is great. We're all learning something here.
Oh, that's kind of purple for the sky. It's abstract.
Yeah, you get purples with the sunset.
Okay.
I do anyway.
That gonna be good? I think we're gonna try to tilt
Sure,
this.
give it a tilt. See, you can always add more, right?
Oh, wow. Okay. I think the sky is gonna be, oh, darn it, white. I think the sky is gonna be fine tilting, but I'm not sure I'm gonna love this grass.
Okay.
I think the grass needs to look like grass, not
You
clouds.
can use that comb I have, or you can just use the stick
Oh.
once you're done tilting.
Ooh, wow. Ooh.
The comb would,
Uh-huh.
it's like using a whole bunch of sticks at once. That's
Okay. I'm gonna add a, ooh, wow. I like the clouds. Look at
that's gorgeous. Yeah, definitely.
that.
Actually, I think the grass looks neat too. Sort of like it is outside now with the dappled sun
Yeah.
coming through, kind of sort of.
Yikes. Okay. Want the grass to stop and the rest to keep going.
Physics is definitely in play here.
Ruh-roh. Love the clouds. But it's not off the edge, so maybe I need some more.
Yeah, sure. That's beautiful.
Oh, there it goes. The grass is kind of cool.
Yeah, I think it looks great.
Ever get it all over your shirt?
No, actually,
Oh.
I have an apron. Would you? I should have offered you my
No,
apron.
no,
Do you
no,
want
I'm
an
good.
apron?
Come on. So sometimes I see you just kind of
Yeah, you can do
Help
that
it
too. That
at-
just urges or
help it along.
urges it. It helps it along. Yes, exactly.
But-
Gives it a place to go. Because once it goes, then more will follow.
Yeah,
Sort of.
okay. Okay, it won't kind of screw it up. I mean, I've seen you do it and it hasn't screwed it up.
And once it starts going, then
Uh-huh, okay. What do you do when you don't want to like get that?
did I leave your pile of paper? towels?
Yes, okay, just wipe it off. Got it, okay. And we're gonna tilt a little. Oh, get down here a little. But I don't want to get my sky and my grass, you see. When are we in trouble of
What?
it drying, for instance?
Oh, not for hours. Don't worry about
Okay.
that. It's not an instant dry product or anything.
Because I feel like I haven't seen you sort of fuss with it and then tilt again.
Oh, usually when I put it down, I guess I'm done tilting, but sometimes I do. Sometimes if I decide I don't like the big red blob in the corner, I'll try to tilt it off after. You can tilt as much. I was kidding about the only 5 tilts thing.
Oh, wow. Okay, it really started to move down there at the bottom.
Ready to try your flowers?
Yes! Okay, so there's going to be a problem where the flowers are going to meet the sky.
Because ultimately it's all going to meet up.
Here we go.
You can always change course if you need to.
Yellow balloon, so that should
That'll work.
All right, so it's either going to be twisty kiss or a straight kiss. And I think I have to decide. So if I twist one, I think I should twist them all.
Oh, I see.
How hard should I press?
Not too hard. Well, the harder you press, the more it will push the paint out.
Ooh, that is not what I was expecting.
That's pretty. I like it. I like what's on the balloon too. That's really pretty.
Because my dots weren't like really concentric or whatever, so of course it's not gonna.
That's okay. Flowers are different.
Oh, maybe I don't need to push so hard. Yeah. Well,
It's an experiment.
yes, it is. It must be perfect. Ooh, I have an idea. Ugh.
I like that one. That's great.
Yeah, that one I. Yowza. Ah, see, we're getting sky in.
That's okay. You can add one in from. I mean, it's not like flowers aren't every color of the rainbow, because they are. If you want it to just be a little different.
Mm-hmm. Oops.
Sorry.
Purple. Bit of purple. Well, I wasn't sure what was going to happen, right? What am I going to do with this? How am I going to fill in the white parts now?
I'm.
This is not exactly what I had in mind.
Well, that's often how it. That's always how it goes. I'm trying to think if I've had one thing show up the way I wanted or end up the way I wanted. I doubt it.
Check this out.
Ooh, there we go. Perfect. Definitely.
I think that adds a certain
Stemness
yes
and grassness.
grassiness. Je ne sais grass. Oh, awesome.
Yeah, definitely.
It's gonna be way too much, way too fussy.
No.
I like the grass most of all. And the clouds.
We'll do our close-up now that it's the next morning and the painting is dried. Here is the lower left corner, along the bottom, lower right corner, up the right side, upper right corner, along the top, upper left corner. And all the beautiful flowers in the middle. Oh, I think this is gorgeous. And here's the full painting. What do you think, folks? I think she did a fantastic job, especially for a very first time pouring. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.